What's up, everyone on YouTube? It's Driver KG, and before we get into this Elantra versus the world, unfortunately, I've been driving this car around for a little bit, trying to figure out what this boost leak was, and I was checking all other areas and not checking a main area that I should have checked, and now I see that I have this issue. So all of these races that you're about to see, I could have done better. Win or lose, I probably could have did better, but I did have a little bit of a boost leak, and I noticed it, but I still wanted to try and get some content. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you look at my engine bay, do you see anything out of the ordinary? So this has been running on, and now it's kind of stuck up here. I gotta move. The clamp is missing. No, I did not do this, and I'm gonna need a better clamp because I've been leaking boost for a good bit. So all the races you're about to see is probably me on a little lower power, and I was trying to figure out why this car was getting slower, and I noticed like noticeable slower when I'm higher boost, and this hose has always been a problem. So let me just stop blabbering and get to the races. But before we get to the races, again, if you guys don't know, downpipe TTE 490 turbo, six intake and inlet, a forged cold pipe. Oh, the Sonata injectors, nothing crazy. I did not put the 6 fuel pump in yet. We're about to. And intercooler. We are cherry tuned. Let's get to the fun.
honest. I'll be honest. I'm not here to do it.
Wait, what is it? $100 each?
Yep.
Spot? All right, so Cobra and what does he got? The stage.
You guys leaving now?
GTI. Yeah.
GT.
Alright guys, so again, thank you guys for watching, and you know what, I'm gonna go back out possibly tonight and I'm gonna rerun some of those cars. So I just got everything that I needed, which is this, to fix that so we won't have any more boost issues. And I've even ordered some extra ones, so I'm gonna put them on my cold pipes too. So just remember, if you're running higher boosts, upwards of over 25 pounds, you could blow these off and you'll feel the difference. So just remember, have the correct clamps. Those regular clamps that you have that come on the car don't work all that well. So just remember, have the proper stuff and then you can have the proper races. So I'll catch you guys next time. And another thing I wanted to say is I'm going to be in Ocean City, Maryland for the cruising event in a few weeks, and I would love to meet some of you guys if you're going. It is a muscle car event mostly, but I will be going, and I would love to meet some of you there. I'm going with some of my friends. So yeah, catch you next time.